Hi, welcome to this video where we're going to look at the statistical measure of range. Now, range refers to the spread of the scores or the pieces of data. So, once again, we need to look at the lowest and the highest score, and we can put them in increasing order, which is what we do when we're finding the median. So when they're finding the median, it's always handy to find the range at the same time because you have them organized from smallest to largest. And what we can see here is that 7's our smallest, 13's our highest, and we can put that on a number line. Now my number line's not going to be perfectly accurate, but I'm going to try to get close to it. So we've got scores of 7. It doesn't matter how many of the 7's we have in this case. It's about the smallest to largest. And we can see if we went up 1, we'd get 8, 9, 10. There is no 11, but we then jump to 12 and 13. And range is about this. The distance or the amount from smallest to largest. So we would take our highest, take away from that our smallest, and our range here is a range of 6. Why would we find range? Well, it helps us to find out how close the data is together. So in this instance, we have a range of 6 years of age between the students. And if we were looking at how that might affect sporting performance, then you'd expect quite a large difference there. Having a 13-year-old on your sporting team and a 7-year-old can be quite different in performance. If you think about their maths knowledge, it would be quite different. But if we had just 9 and 10-year-olds, then our range is only 1 year. It's a much smaller range. Of 1. And you wouldn't expect much difference in their sporting abilities between a 9 and a 10-year-old. You wouldn't expect much of a difference between their maths ability. So it depends whether you want a big spread or a little spread. This we might see as being fairer, but if we were doing a trivia competition, we'd want to see a bit of a spread in the ages. It's important to talk about why we find these things when we're finding them, and how it may or may not affect what we're looking at. I hope you found this video on range useful. Make sure you check out the other videos on mode, median and mean. And of course, hit the subscribe button so that you find out more about learningu.com.au videos. Thank you.